Good afternoon, good evening. That depends on your location right now. Just a quick video. You see the benefit of having your own content, not taking people's content. Anyway, it's everybody will experience this kind of violation, especially when you are a beginner. Okay, when everybody started, in fact, let me speak for myself. When I started creating content, so I don't know how to do some of these things, but what I just did is a kind of a guesswork. So you just do it and then post it. So at the end of the day, this is the result of what happens. Okay, so taking people's content is really, really not a good thing. Try as much as possible to create your own content, even if it's small, even if it's peeling plantain. Doing anything you like to do is better than collecting people's content. So now I got a violation on this video. This video that I did long time ago. In fact, I've even forgotten that I have that kind of video on my page. So now I have been reminded that the owner is getting collecting revenue or earnings from this video. Do you understand that? You see how painful is that? Time wasted. Everything that I've done to create this video is being wasted. So this is the video here. Okay. This is the video here. And now I'm going to adjust the violation. Right? So all the time use creating this video, this content that I thought it was a content wasted, and all the watch hour is going to be gone with it. So this is how you actually restore this kind of problem on your video. So go ahead and click details. Unlike before, you have to go through the other route. So you still have to go through the other route. If you are the types who just check every day, it's good to check your content every day. That what do you call it again? You go on settings and privacy and settings. Go on settings again, and before you go to that one. But this route is also good. So you click on continue. So I like to load. How does copyright work? So blah blah blah. All this write up. If you like, you can read them. But if you don't have the time, click on continue. That's how to adjust to repair this kind of issue. So all you need to do again, how to make sure that your content doesn't violate copyright law. Because at the end of the day, if you don't remove it, your video is going to be slow. No views. It's just like you are the only one watching your video that you created. So all these things are going to come up a little by little, and they will clean away before your page is going to be fully restored. Provided don't go back and be taking people's video. So this one I did last time, I called it reaction videos. All this was done when I started newly or just at the middle. Okay, now click continue. It's going. So what would you like to do on this kind of issue? These are the available options you can take regarding to changes to your videos. So do you want to accept the changes? Because it's not your own. You want to submit dispute, it's not your own content. So choose to remove. I choose to remove, so I will not argue with anybody. Choose to remove, click continue. So delete video. The video will be removed from Facebook, including anywhere it was shared. You see that? So I shared this video to some other of my social media handles. So now it's going to be condemned. So I choose not to take people's video. Right, I have stopped long time ago, but these are the ones that I did before. It's like somebody looking for trouble. You say, let me go to bed on time so that because I don't want any trouble. But you made trouble in the past. They come and knock at the door. This is what happened now. So delete video. I choose to delete it. It's loading. Okay, now it shows your video was removed. Thank you. So close. You're not going to see that again. So thank you so much, everyone. Choose not to take people's video. It is really, really unhealthy. Thanks so much. Like my video, share. My name is Tali Peace One. Please like my video, follow my channel, and then you get to see a lot of tutorial videos. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.